our batch of apple scrap vinegar from last year, and as you can probably guess from the name, apple scrap vinegar is made from apple scraps. It's really similar to apple cider vinegar and it has a lot of the same benefits and uses. It's great for pickling, cooking, preserving your garden harvest. You can also use it in drinks to boost immunity and health, and it's great for cleaning. You can also make other fruit scrap vinegars. It doesn't have to be apples. Here I've made a vinegar de piña, which is a pineapple vinegar. My absolute favourite is plum pit vinegar, which we make from plum pits from the cherry plum trees that grow wild around our place in summer.
To make apple scrap vinegar, you need to save the peels and cores from about 4 or 5 apples. You can use any variety you like, but it's best to make sure they're organic. Chop the cores and add all your scraps to a clean glass jar. Add 2 tablespoons of raw sugar to the mix and then 1 litre of soft water, which is water that you've boiled and cooled or left out for 24 hours to remove the chlorination. Stir vigorously and then cover the whole lot with a muslin cloth. Repeat the stirring 3 to 5 times per day until the mix starts to smell slightly alcoholic. This should take about a week, depending on how warm your kitchen is. Then you can strain out the apple scraps and return the liquid to the jar. Continue stirring a few times each day and taste it daily until it tastes just the right vinegariness for you. Bottle your vinegar, and if you have bottled it a little young, it still may complete some secondary fermentation in the jar. So every so often it's wise to take the lid off and let any extra gas out.
You can find the recipe for apple scrap vinegar in issue number 13 of the magazine, which you can buy online at www.pitmagazine.com.au. You can also get the recipe for this vinegar on our blog. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on notifications.